What is going on, guys? Eric here with Get Me Out of Here vlog. I am standing here in Dubuque, Illinois, or I'm sorry, Dubuque, Iowa. I totally messed that up. I'm on the Iowa side of the Mississippi River. There's something really spectacular here. The Fenelon Place Elevator Company. It's a very unique elevator ride. It just takes you up one of the bluffs here on the Mississippi River. So I thought I'd give it a ride today and check this out. Come with me. It's a good thing I have exactly $3 on me. Otherwise, I might be stranded up there. I don't think they take credit or debit. All right, so here we go. Ring, ring, ring. Goes the trolley. Oh, and we got movement.
Sir, you have to sit down.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
You bet. I'm getting yelled at in the trolley. Standing up, got a little excited there. This is freaking cool. So here in Dubuque, the story goes there was a man named J.K. Graves who lived on top of the bluff but worked on the bottom. He was a former mayor, a former state senator, and also a banker. He was tired of taking a carriage ride all the way around the bluff. It took him like 30 minutes to get to work and back every day. So he decided to build this elevator instead that would take him directly from his home down to his workplace and back at the end of the day. Pretty cool. Check out this view. This is amazing. Look at these wooden cogs. That's kind of scary. I don't know if I trust these fully. They've lasted this long. There's the Mississippi River way off in the distance there. Looks like we reached the top. So I've reached the top, and check out this view. This is a view of Dubuque, Iowa, and that is the mighty Mississippi River there, winding its way down to the south. And to give you a perspective, there's another trolley coming up. Give you guys a little view here of the elevator going down the bluff. And look at this view, Dubuque, Iowa. That's the Mississippi River right there, the old mighty Mississippi, curving its way southward there in the distance. But check this out, this is so cool. They don't make these like they used to. These are actually very, very hard to find, these Fenelon, if I'm pronouncing that right, these Fenelon elevators. this is the only one I've actually ever ridden anywhere. But I know there are others in the US, in Europe. One comes up and one goes down. I don't know if you picked up, but I'm actually wearing a different shirt. It's a different day. I'm 2 days in the future from some of my previous posts here. What happened was I lost a bunch of video. I had to drive back to Dubuque on my way back to Chicago anyway, so I decided, I'm gonna stop, film some more things, give a little more information on the history of this Fenelon elevator. So if you caught it, good job. I don't know if you did or not. All right, going back down. Gotta remember to sit this time. It's good when you follow the rules. So talking to him, I got a brochure. This has been here since 1893. That's a long time. This is so cool. I love this thing. So a little more of the history here. J.K. Graves used to live on top of the bluff. He built one in the 1880s that actually burned down and was inspired by the Chicago World's Fair of 1893. Some of the elevators that they had on display there to actually build this track that I'm riding on right now. It has been standing here since 1893. Now, I don't think anybody takes this to work. I'm not a Dubuque resident. If I lived up there and I worked down here, I totally would take this every day. But just a little bit of the history there. Pretty amazing. We're almost at the bottom. Right there. All right, that's the ride. The Fenelon elevator here in Dubuque. Another view of the rail. Definitely worth taking. If you're in Dubuque, check it out, the Fenelon elevator. Another view of the bluff. Can't get enough of this. All right, time to move on. Forgot to mention too, for all you Game of Thrones fans out there, the author of the novels actually lived here in Dubuque and taught at one of the local colleges for a number of years. In fact, the Winter World in Game of Thrones was probably most likely inspired by the harsh winters here in Dubuque, Iowa. Just a little fact. Hey, excuse me, guys. Do you know which way Cedar Rapids is? Oh, it's this way. Okay. See, sometimes you just have to stop and ask directions. Might be getting a little lost here. It's that way.